Hi, this is Srikant Vatte. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about creating the snapshot, managing a snapshot, restoring a file using snapshot. So, what is snapshot? Snapshot is a cool technology of Netapp that allows the storage admin to take the backup of all files locally on the storage box and very fast restoration of files in case of any file corruption and file deletion by mistake. And one more thing is snapshot is just a pointer. It helps to restore data, but it has a small performance imperfect. And solution is just we need to update pointers to point out the original data again. Here, in this, I'm going to explain you an example for creating and usage of snapshot. See, here I logged into client in which I have created the storage, that is Netapp on command manager. In the Netapp command manager, open the storage. This is the storage, and in this we have to open the volumes, which shows the list of all the volumes I have created. Select one of the volume, means I have selected an NFS volume. Then click on the volume. Right click on the volume. Just go to the snapshot copies and click create. So here we have to give a snapshot name, like I have given as snap a. So click create so that a snap copy will be created. See how the snap a is created here. Snap a here in the snap copies we can see the snapshot but what we have created. Now a snapshot is created successfully for this selected value. Now let us use the snapshot on the Windows client. Before that, you need to go give them some commands in the client Linux operating system, that is putty session, which is an attached which is attached to the uh, Netapp and command manager. This is because to have some administrative privileges to for accessing the snapshot folder. So I'm going to putty. Here I'm giving the storage IP to have some changes. I'm logging with the root. See, here I'm running some commands to access all the folders, to have an administrative privileges over the folders like volumes, uh, options, file, vault, create, code on. This I have already run the command, so it shows that it already exists. So you have to run these commands. Options, file, volume, create, convert. So after running these commands, now go to Windows. This is the Windows client machine. Go to this Windows and go to run command manager. Enter. So we have to enter the storage IP, which my IP is written there on the screen. Enter that. Then you will be created with a snapshot copy there in that. Now navigate to this etc file, etc file folder. So now you move to the exports.bak exports. Here I'm moving to find that file, exports.bak. It is here. So click on that file, Here it is. Click on that file. Now delete this file. After deleting this file, we have to move to back to this snapshot folder. There you find the actually created snapshot. Now copy that exports file from the snapshot we have created, which we have created. In this we can find that snap a. In the etc file you can find again exports back file, export back file. We here it is. Copy that and move back and place that file in the etc file again. Paste here. So this means this is used for rectification of and restoring the data at a point of particular point of operation. See, one good thing about snapshot is we can set manual and automatic time to set, take snap copies of all what we have created and done, or what function we have done. And just we need to go to storage. Then I'm going to navigate at in storage. We have to go to volumes. Click the required volume, like this is a required volume, and click snap copies. Here it is in snap copies. So if you go to snap copies here, click on that. So you find a before we created, and this is the for configuration of snap copies. This configuration helps you to this configuration file helps to you that control over the percentage of copies and time to take a snapshot for a timely for automatic enabling of your restoring of data. Now to restore this snapshot copy through Windows tool, you have to set some required time like 7 at any time, and click OK, so that it will be creating a snap copies at that moment of time. And to restore the snap copy through this Windows putty tool, like this is an Linux tool, we have to run the commands. Like we can see how the snapshot copies are created and how many copies are hourly created. We can see all the information by running a command to particular volume. Here I'm going to show you. To see the snap copies what we have created for our volume. So write snap list nfs vol, so that we can see all the snap copies which has been created at a particular time. Like it is created like here we can see that it is created 90 and hourly and 90 hourly, so that what percentage it is consuming and at what time it has been created. So this how to create a snapshot and restore the data by using snapshot. I think so you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.